Before Noah ever walked the earth, there stood a city of impossible scale and ambition. Towers rose higher than clouds dared to travel and cast shadows across generations yet unborn. Stones were placed by hands larger than memory itself and fitted without fracture or error. The ground bent beneath their weight yet did not break or resist. Walls were carved with symbols no human tongue remembers or understands. The city breathed with order, power, and intention as if alive. Streets aligned with stars rather than seasons or time. Silence there felt deliberate, not empty or abandoned. History began earlier than humans were ever told, and the world allowed it to exist without resistance or question. Time moved differently within its walls. The land adapted slowly to their presence. Even the wind obeyed their design and direction. They were not gods yet, not men by any measure known later. Their strength shaped mountains into pathways and valleys into foundations with ease. Knowledge guided their hands more than force ever could. They understood stone-like language and metal like thought itself. Fire obeyed them differently and burned without destruction or hunger. Tools were unnecessary, where will was enough to command matter. Their footsteps marked the land permanently and reshaped terrain. The earth learned endurance from them through pressure alone. Balance shifted quietly under their presence without collapse, and the giants ruled without resistance or challenge from creation. Authority came naturally to them. Size was matched by certainty of purpose. Dominion felt effortless and permanent. The city followed laws older than timekeeping and record. Order was enforced through understanding, not fear or punishment. Light was captured, redirected, and stored within crystal stone structures. Knowledge flowed freely among the giants without secrecy or limitation. Power was shared, not hoarded, which strengthened control and unity. Their society moved with precision, calm, and inevitability. Purpose replaced chaos completely in every action. The sky above them felt closer than elsewhere. The land below felt smaller under their reach, and creation watched silently without interruption or protest. Nothing within the city felt accidental or random. Design ruled every movement and structure. Intention shaped daily life from dawn to dusk. The ground trembled without warning or command from heaven. Rivers changed direction overnight as if correcting themselves. Animals avoided the city instinctively and never returned again. The sky darkened without storm cloud or thunder. Even the giants paused in recognition of resistance. Balance strained beneath their endless expansion and certainty. Creation resisted what it could not contain forever. Cracks formed beneath the foundations slowly and deeply. The city listened but did not retreat or stop its rise, and a warning arrived without words or sound. Resistance grew beneath silence and pressure. Signs multiplied without explanation or message. The land demanded restraint without mercy. Their knowledge crossed an unseen boundary set before humanity existed. Power reached beyond permission and restraint intended by creation. Order bent slowly toward dominance rather than balance. Heaven observed without immediate judgment or interruption. Mercy waited longer than necessary out of patience. The city continued to rise despite resistance from Earth itself. Consequence gathered silently beneath progress and certainty. Records were sealed before destruction ever began. Memory was chosen for removal, not preservation or lesson. And the world prepared to forget what came before Noah. Silence became the chosen response of heaven. Absence replaced remembrance completely. History closed its earliest and forbidden chapter. The giants were born before humanity learned its first breath or name. They were shaped from strength and awareness bound together into living flesh. Power flowed through them naturally without resistance or limit. They walked the earth as guardians before becoming rulers by habit. Purpose was given to them before limits were ever explained or enforced. Knowledge awakened faster than obedience within their minds. Their size reflected the responsibility they slowly forgot to honor. Balance trusted them too early and too completely. Freedom came without warning or guidance, and power matured without restraint or humility. Memory of purpose faded as certainty grew stronger. Strength outpaced wisdom across generations. Authority replaced responsibility without challenge or correction. The earth watched their growth in silence. Creation waited for restraint that never came. At first, they protected the land they ruled and preserved its order. Protection slowly became ownership through confidence and success. Ownership turned into entitlement without resistance. The earth was shaped to their will, not its need or rhythm. Mountains fell to design rather than necessity or balance. Rivers bent to command instead of harmony. Creation endured silently far longer than it should have. Harmony thinned without fully breaking apart. Power justified every decision they made, and dominance replaced duty completely. Control became obsession rather than responsibility. Limits were dismissed as weakness and delay. Balance slipped further away with every command given. The land groaned quietly beneath obedience. Even stone learned fear. Heaven did not strike immediately or loudly in response. Observation replaced intervention across the higher realms. Mercy delayed consequence beyond reason and patience. Warnings came through resistance, not words or visions. Signs appeared in the land, sky, and silence together. The giants ignored what did not speak directly to power. Confidence blinded wisdom completely. Pride dulled perception beyond recovery. Judgment formed quietly beyond sight or sound, and permission was withdrawn without announcement. Guidance ceased without explanation. Protection lifted without force. Silence marked the irreversible turning point. Balance was released from restraint. Consequence was allowed to act. The collapse did not begin with fire or flood, but with instability. Foundations shifted beneath certainty and perfected design. Towers cracked from within, not above. Knowledge failed to correct the imbalance it created. Strength could not hold what balance had released. Panic reached giants for the first time in their existence. Control vanished faster than power ever had. The city groaned like a living thing in pain and confusion. History fractured under its own weight, and the end arrived without negotiation or mercy. The order dissolved into confusion rapidly. Certainty turned into fear. Dominion ended in helplessness. Stone returned to dust. Silence reclaimed the skyline. Destruction alone was not enough to erase what had existed. Memory itself was sealed away deliberately and completely. Land was reshaped to erase the outline and trace without exception. Water prepared the final cleansing patiently and thoroughly. Names were removed before stones were buried. Humanity would inherit a silent world without answers or warning. Questions were meant to arrive later, not sooner. The flood would finish what the collapse began. The giants would become myth distortion and doubt, and Noah would never know what stood before him. Absence became the final lesson. Forgetting ensured survival. History closed without a witness or record. Only echoes remained beneath the earth. If this lost civilization shook your understanding of history, stay with the truth. Like the video to uncover secrets buried before the flood. Subscribe to explore forgotten worlds erased from memory. Comment GI ants if you are ready for what history tried to hide.